Hi, let us jump straight right into learning SUID. SUID stands for Set User ID, where user also means an owner of any file, command, or a directory. So, SUID lets any user, other than root, to run any command as root. For example, the command to change password, which makes changes to the /etc/shadow file, can only be done by root. So in order for any users to change their passwords or set passwords, SUID lets them do it by letting them run the password command as root, till the time the command is run, which eventually makes changes in the /etc/shadow file. SUID is identified as the letter S in the part of owner's permission on any command. So let us make a new user JSON and give him a password. You can clearly see this password process is being run by root, because the command was run by root user. But when the user JSON himself tries to change his own password, which will make changes to the /etc/shadow file, the password process which is now running is also run as root user. Which means because of SUID on password command, a normal user acts as root user while he is running the command. Please like and subscribe for more quick videos on Linux, AWS, and scripting. Peace.